This is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Guide on C programming. So in this video tutorial we're gonna see the ternary operators in C. So these ternary operators are used as another alternative for the if and else. So first let's see the syntax. So I'm gonna copy and paste it. So this is the syntax of this ternary operator. So first we need to write the expression 1 and a question mark, then the expression 2, then a colon, and then expression 3. So here, if this expression 1 is true, then this expression 2 is evaluated, and the value of this expression 2 will become the value of this whole expression. Then if this expression 1 is false, then this expression 3 is evaluated, and the value of this expression 3 will become the value of this whole expression. So first, for the demonstration purpose, we can use a condition in this expression 1. We can form the condition using relational and logical operators. So first we're gonna use a variable, let's call it age, and I'm gonna assign it with the value of 20. So now we're gonna write this expression 1. In this tutorial, this expression 1 is gonna be a condition, so we're gonna form a condition using the relational operator here. If you want to construct a complex condition, then you can use this logical operator also. So I'm gonna write age greater than or equal to 18. Whether my age is greater than or equal to 18, then the question mark. If this expression evaluates to true, then I want to execute this expression 2. So here this expression 2 is going to be a printf statement, and I'm going to say you are adult. So make a note that we are not adding a semicolon here. So next we need to add a colon, as you can see here, after this expression 2. Then we need to write the expression 3. So this expression 3 will be executed if this expression 1 is false. So here it's going to be another printf statement, and we're gonna say you are minor. So after this expression 3 we need to add a semicolon, so add it here. So here what happens is it's gonna check whether my age is greater than or equal to 18. So if this expression evaluates to true, then this printf statement will be executed. So this printf statement is gonna return the number of characters it has printed to the screen. So in this case it has printed 13 characters. So this printf statement is going to return a value 13. So that 13 is going to be the value of this whole expression. So if you want, you can save that value by using a variable and an assignment operator. But in this case we are not saving that value. So we're just printing you are adult to the screen if this condition is true. Similarly, if this condition is false, we are printing you are minor to the screen. So I'm gonna save it, compile and run. So as you can see, since my age is equal to 20, which is greater than or equal to 18, it says you are an adult. So I'm gonna make this less than 18, let's say 16. Save, compile and run. So as you can see, it says you are a minor. So I'm gonna close it. So while explaining the syntax, I told that if this expression 1 is true, then this expression 2 will be executed, and the value of this expression 2 will be the value of this whole expression. Similarly, if this expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be executed, and the value of this expression 3 will be the value of this whole expression. So to demonstrate that, I'm gonna comment this out, and I'm gonna write. So let's say age equal to 16, and we need another variable, let's say int x. So what we want to do is we're going to check whether this age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is so, we want to return the value of 1. So if this age is greater than or equal to 18, we're going to return 1, and if this age is not greater than or equal to 18, let's say this age is less than 18, then we're going to return a value of 0. So we're going to assign the value 1 or 0 depending on this condition, and we're gonna store it in this variable x. That's why it's gonna be x equal to age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is so, we're gonna return, or we want to store the value of 1 in this variable x, else we're gonna store the value of 0 in this variable x. So I'm gonna add a parenthesis here. I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna print the value of x. It's gonna be a printf statement, %d, comma x. So I'm gonna save it, compile it, and run it. So since my age is 16, which is less than or equal to 18, this expression 3 will be the value of this whole expression. So it's gonna assign this 0 to this variable x. That's why we're getting 0 here. So I'm gonna make this, let's say 23, save, compile, and run. So as you can see, this expression evaluated to true. That's why this expression 2 is executed, and the value of this expression 2 in this case is just a value of 1, so that will be assigned to this variable x. That's why we're getting a value of 1 here. So this is it. This is about the ternary operators in C. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I see you in the next tutorial.